Well, if you look at the polls in the market, I think the market's going for 6% on average. We had 5.8, so we see a little bit more downside, not only in China, but also globally. So that's how we position a little bit. So slightly lower growth, but not massively, not moving into a recession, for sure not in China, but also not in the US in election year, also not in Europe, but lower growth.
Christian, you spoke about strategic allocation at this point, and we're starting off the year. Where are the key opportunities that you're sizing up? What are the broad themes that you're working with under the umbrella of allocating across asset classes?
Yeah, first of all, we start a new decade, 2020.
Yes,
so, and think of the last decade. If you, for example, look at MSCI World, we had 2 negative years in the last 10 years, 2011, 2018. But if I'm not wrong, the MSCI World was up close to 120%. So do you say, okay, the next 10 years is the same? Probably not. And that's why we think there's very important to look at your strategic asset allocation. Do you want to get the same or not? We still think there's some return to be made for equities, but lower, so 5 to 7%, 5.4, 5.7 for the next 10 years. More interestingly and more importantly, I think we cannot repeat what we have been seeing on fixed income. We had such a nice market for so many years. Now we're at very, very low levels, which probably stay for quite some time. Sure. Maybe the next 10 years bring one recession, then it could be slightly lower. But if it goes up at one point in time, which I also wouldn't rule out for 10 years, then there's negative return. So our return forecast for fixed income is close to 0 for 10 years. And that's a massive change. And that's why we need to talk about the portfolios.
Hi, I'm Emily Tan, and thanks for watching CNBC. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.